no, we put to protect the
Yes,
cable and
yes.
yeah, I put
Already
Sure to
there.
protect.
Okay.
Already
Okay.
there.
Yes,
No,
already there.
no. This is for the electrical cable.
No,
What I am
instrument.
talking
Instrument.
Instrument.
or
18
instrument
number.
cable. No, you are not
Yeah.
following me. I am talking about from civil point of view.
Ah,
Whenever we are digging inside the dike, if we need to excavate anything to open a trench, we have two
Yes.
concerns.
Okay.
We need to ensure that we are reinstating the dike properly, and we need to be sure that we are not damaging the geotextile below.
Okay. So
Okay.
let me take one recommendation. Yeah, let me take
Yeah,
one
yeah.
recommendation.
Recommendation for civil. Yeah.
APC contractor
Mm.
to ensure to protect tiles, right? You are saying tiles, right?
Tiles.
Geotextile, not tiles. Geotextile. This is the layer that we are putting of this. It's a special membrane to avoid any oil percolation into the soil.
Okay, geotextile. Okay. Okay, very good. So this is the good recommendation because while excavation there is potential damage. So EPC contractor. Okay. So good guys. So with this, I mean, we have identified some couple of recommendation. I will make a number and clean the sheet after the workshop and send it to you. So now I would